FIFA continues to face backlash over its plan to sell private stakes in the World Cup. FIFA chief Infantino insists it is only a proposal at this stage. But UEFA is going ahead with an emergency meeting today where a potential boycott of the World Cup will also be discussed. Now, under the proposal, FIFA plans to launch a new subsidiary called FIFA Forward Enterprises, which will be worth $20 billion. While FIFA would retain majority control of the new entity, it plans to sell minority stakes up to 20% to outside investors in a bid to raise up to $4.2 billion. The proposal must still be approved by FIFA's 211 member associations. FIFA has also offered $40 million to those nations who back this plan and has given them until September 19 to decide. FIFA chief Infantino spoke on the proposal for the first time.
Well, FIFA Forward Enterprise, or FFE, is actually a proposal, an offer. It's part of a democratic process, a consultation process. And above all, it is an opportunity, but not an obligation. And as I said, it kicks off the consultation process. If and only if it is approved by the majority of our 211 member associations and the FIFA Council, it would be a FIFA-owned and controlled subsidiary consolidating FIFA's commercial and event operations.
The investor consortium is expected to be led by a permanent capital vehicle founded by Joshua Kushner, the brother of Jared Kushner, who is the son-in-law of US President Donald Trump. FIFA chief Gianni Infantino says that the proposal will help all countries tap into the sport's commercial value.
Too little of football's growing commercial value reaches the parts of the game that need it most. Capturing that value requires additional expertise, additional insight, distinct from governing and developing the sport. Strengthening the commercial side of the game is the natural next step in this evolution. So we believe that the FFE proposal would unlock the sport's potential in every corner of the world across men's, women's and youth football.
However, a fierce backlash has ensued all over the football world, with FIFA being accused of selling the soul of the game. Leading the backlash is European football's governing body, UEFA. A UEFA emergency meeting is set to take place today virtually, which will discuss its response to FIFA's controversial World Cup stakeholder plans. A European boycott of the World Cup is among the options being considered. Remember, 3 of the 4 World Cup semi-finalists this year were European, including, of course, eventual champion Spain. UEFA stated it crosses a line that football's governing bodies should never cross. Now, UEFA has also gained support with CONCACAF and the Asian Football Confederation also opposing the proposal. One of the most respected figures in the game, Carlo Ancelotti, hopes the essence of the World Cup does not change.
After all, I believe that the World Cup is the World Cup, and the World Cup belongs to the fans, to the people, to all the peoples of the world. It's a truly beautiful moment, I think. I hope that neither UEFA nor FIFA will ruin this celebration for the whole world.
Esta fiesta